Hello everyone. Today we are going to present our final year project titled as Soil Quality Monitoring and Crop Prediction using IoT and Machine Learning, guided by Professor Snehal Zaveri. So let's begin. Nowadays, soil measurement is very essential to enhance the productivity. Our project aims in designing a system which is capable of tracking the soil's resources level and monitoring pH values with other quality parameters. We proposed IoT and machine learning approach to predict the soil fertile scenario according to current parameters. The problem statement is this project aims in designing a system which is capable of tracking the soil resource level and monitoring pH values with other quality parameters. According to these parameters, we detect the soil fertility and predict the plantation scenario accordingly using machine learning algorithm on large-scale real-time IoT dataset. The main goals of our project are to identify the soil chemical properties and predict plant prediction scenario using proposed model. To achieve this recommendation using IoT and machine learning module, soil quality parameters for current scenario, it will also recommend which mixture we should add to make the soil fertile, to show the plant recommendation according to the current state of soil. Our objectives are to design and develop an approach for soil quality prediction using IoT and machine learning. We are proposing an IoT environment to generate different soil parameters from different test cases and to predict what utilities should not present in soil. To design and develop crop prediction possibility according to current soil quality. The effect of manure on soil properties such as salinity, pH values, organic matter content, and microbial enzyme activities. Coming to the next part, how far it is concerned with social aspect. To enhance the productivity of plants, this is much useful than the traditional agricultural system. It also reduces time cost as well as additional resource. System also eliminate manual soil testing, long and tedious cost expensive processes. It is easy to use for non-technical farmers. This is our proposed system architecture. The system architecture consists pH sensor, humidity sensor, temperature sensor, moisture sensor, microcontroller, cloud database, and an analysis module. The algorithm we used is the Q-learning algorithm. It is a reinforcement learning algorithm to learn a policy telling an agent what action to take under what circumstances. Here, the input is all parameters generated by sensors, threshold, mean max values that are also generated by sensors. The output will be different labels that are provided by the sensor values. Q-learning works on penalty and reward values. These values are stored in a Q table. User will refer these penalty and reward values from the Q table, which is stored in the database of the system. The next method we used is the probabilistic fuzzy rule. Fuzzy logic is a way of guessing by the computers to make decision more like a human would. It uses fuzzy sets and fuzzy rules to the model world and make decisions about it. Here our input is train feature set which having values of numeric or string of train database, threshold T and list L. The output will be classified all instances with weight. Following are the platforms we used in this project. The software interfaces, operating system, coding language Python and Java, database is MySQL, IDE is Python IDE, Eclipse IDE, NetBeans IDE, front-end Python, JSP and Servlet, backend, servlet or database MySQL. Then hardware is a processor with Intel Pentium 4 or above, memory is 2 GB or above, other peripheral printer, hard disk 500 GB, sensors are temperature sensor, humidity sensor, moisture sensor. Following are the images of hardware components we used in this project. There is Arduino, soil sensor, humidity and temperature sensor, a pH sensor and a water motor. Coming to the advantages and disadvantages of this project. Advantages are, it reduces the farmer's workload, alerts on soil resources to the predefined number, works anywhere in the world, it delivers the result immediately. The only disadvantages are network resource dependency and hardware cost might be generate expensive system. This is the graph of result and discussion. It shows why Q-learning and fuzzy logic is more useful than other algorithms. Next is outcome of the project. The outcome is soil quality parameters for current scenario. It also recommend which admixture need to include to fertile the soil. Show the plant recommendation according to the current state of soil. Finally, coming to the conclusion. The proposed Q-learning module provides over 95% average accuracy in different soil samples, which is most effective than other supervised learning algorithms. The module has high efficiency and accuracy in fetching the live data of temperature, pH sensor and soil moisture. The main advantage of this system, which is applicable on everywhere, we can identify the soil fertility as well as to achieve effective plant prediction according to current scenario.
Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree Patil. I am going to explain how our project works. So this is hardware of a project. It includes Arduino, relay machine, water motor, pH sensor, temperature sensor, humidity sensor and moisture sensor, and this is different types of soil. In many places, farmers do not know which crop is best for their field, and there is no way to check it in their village. They have to go another places like Pune agriculture sector to test the fertility level of soil, and it takes lots of time and money. So our project is basically designed to track the fertility level of soil using these sensors and suggest farmers appropriate crop for their soil in their place only. This is the normal soil I took from my garden. So here I put all the sensors in the soil and start the Arduino. This program will going to fetch all the data from the sensor and save it to the database. These are the live values which is fetched by the sensor and it will store in the database. This is login page. After entering user ID and password, new page will open. If we click on the monitor, it will show the database value of the sensors. If we click on the refresh, it will show the current value of sensors. Then we'll click on the classification. It says soil is useful for agriculture and crop data will shown by the system is wheat. This means that we can take a wheat crop from this soil. So I took the another soil for the testing of the program. I put the lemon juice in the soil to check the acidic property of the soil. In case of the pH sensor, it shows the acidic property is high in the soil. After we click on the classification, it shows soil is not useful for agriculture and no crop data is shown. Hence, this is not useful to get any crop from this soil.